Let's go ahead and define words. If you have your marketing workbooks, go ahead and open them up. We're gonna do some fill-ins, right? So you have some blank underlined areas, and we're gonna define some words for you. First word is brand positioning. Brand positioning is the image you portray and the message you speak. It's how you position your brand determines how the market perceives you. Okay, so I thought this was a marketing workshop. Why are we talking about brand positioning? Because brand positioning is absolutely vital before you even think about marketing. If you're not positioned correctly, you could market all you want, you could get a ton of traffic to your website, but if you're communicating the wrong message, you're not gonna get the results that you're looking for. So brand positioning has to come first. It's the image that you're portraying, it's the message that you're speaking, and it's how the market perceives you. Here's a couple quotes. David Ogilvy says that the brand is the intangible sum of a product's attributes. That's really close to the definition I like. I like Marty Neumeier, who says your brand is not what you say it is. A brand is not a logo. A brand is not an identity. A brand is not a product. And he goes on to say that a brand is a person's gut feeling about a product, service, or organization. Think about that. Your brand is how people feel. It's your gut feeling. So you can't technically design a brand, right? The Nike swoosh in and of itself absolutely means nothing. Same thing with the Apple icon. It means nothing. It comes to mean something in the minds of those who see it because that brand has fulfilled its promise, right? So don't get caught up too much on the logo. Get caught up on every single aspect of your brand. That's why in that video it says branding is everything. It's your website, it's your messaging, it's your video. It's that feeling that you're portraying. So brand positioning is greater than and comes before marketing. Now I'm not gonna talk about brand positioning anymore. I just wanted to clarify that if you execute this strategy without thinking about how you're positioning yourself, you are more than likely going to waste some time and money. Okay, so think about brand positioning. What is the message you're communicating? What is the image that we're portraying to the public?